Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to save items on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to save items on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, first navigate to the product which you want to save to your Temu account. Let's say for example, you can see here it says the high repeat customers jacket over here. Let's tap on it. And after navigating to your products page like this, or for example, you can also search for a jacket or a hoodie if you want to. And after searching and opening that product page like this, scroll down a little bit, and just below the comments you will be able to view the product details option over here. You can see just below the comments, these are the comments from different users, and there is the product details. Now in order to save that item on Temu, you can see the save button over here at the right side of the product details where it says save and report. Tap on the save button to save that item to your Temu account. And in order to view that later, let's go back on the home page of Temu. At the bottom of the screen you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when we land over here you can see currently there is the browsing history at the bottom of the screen, and just beside over here is the wish list available for us. Let's go back and let's tap on the wish list over here, and here are some of the items I have saved on Temu. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to save items on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.